Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 7 real ways that anyone can make an extra $10,000 per month. Whether you are looking to get rich in your 20s or just want some extra cash, these tips are sure to help. So if you are ready to learn how to make money fast, be sure to subscribe to this channel and kindly like this video. So let's dive in. 1. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning that it is not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly popular as an investment vehicle. Their value has been rising rapidly in recent years, and they offer a number of advantages over traditional investments, such as stocks and bonds. For example, cryptocurrencies are global, meaning they can be traded anywhere in the world. They are not subject to government or financial institution regulations, making them a more secure investment. Their value tends to be less volatile than traditional investments. If you're interested in learning more about investing in cryptocurrency, there are a number of resources available online. Start by doing some research on different currencies and exchanges and get started today. Number 2, get a high-paying job. If you want to get rich, one of the best ways to do it is by getting a high-paying job. While there is no guarantee that you will become wealthy working for someone else, a high-paying job can definitely help get you on the right track. And with today's competitive job market, it's more important than ever to make sure you have the skills and qualifications necessary to land a high-paying gig. There are a number of high-paying jobs that can help make someone rich. Some of the most popular high-paying jobs include real estate agent, doctor, lawyer, professional athlete, CEO, and many more. These jobs come with a high level of responsibility and often require training and education. However, they also offer the potential to make a lot of money. If you are looking for a high-paying job that can help you get rich, there are plenty to choose from. Do your research, get the necessary skills and qualifications, and start climbing the ladder. You never know where it might lead. So how do you go about getting a high-paying job? It all starts with your resume. Make sure to list all of your relevant experience and skills, and be sure to target your resume towards the position you are interested in. You should also prepare for interviews by studying the company and its products or services. And last but not least, network. Meeting people in your field and building relationships can help get your name out there and may lead to some great opportunities down the road. Number 3, become a personal trainer or nutritionist. If you are looking for a way to get rich, becoming a personal trainer or nutritionist may be the perfect option for you. Both of these professions are in high demand, and there is always room for new talents. Plus, with the right training and certification, you can start your own business and work from home. If you are interested in becoming a personal trainer or nutritionist, here are some resources to get you started. Personal trainer certification. This website offers information on how to become certified as a personal trainer. They offer online courses as well as in-person training programs. American Council of Exercise, ACE. ACE is one of the leading organizations when it comes to certifying personal trainers. They offer a variety of certification programs as well as continuing education opportunities. National Academy of Sports Medicine, NASM, is another leading organization when it comes to personal trainer certification. They offer multiple certification options, including an online program that can be completed in just 6 months. So how do you become a personal trainer or nutritionist? The first step is to get certified. There are a number of different certification programs available as discussed above. So do your research and find one that's best suited to your needs. Once you are certified, it is time to start networking. Meeting other professionals in your field and building relationships can help get your name out there and may lead to some great opportunities down the road. Finally, make sure to market yourself well online and offline and offer quality services that clients will love. Number 4, pursue relevant education if you want to get rich. One of the best things you can do is pursue relevant education. A good education can help open up a world of opportunities, and with the right training and qualifications, you can start your own business and work from home. There are a number of different ways to get a good education, and it's important to find one that's best suited to your needs. Here are some resources to get you started. College. A college degree is often seen as a sign of success and can help lead to a high-paying job. There are a variety of colleges available, so do your research and find one that's best suited to your needs. Trade schools. Trade schools offer specialized training in specific fields and can often lead to high-paying jobs. They are perfect for people who want to learn new skills quickly and get started in their career right away. Online schools. Online schools offer flexibility and convenience, making them perfect for people who want to continue working while they pursue their education. There are a variety of online schools available, so do your research and find one that's best suited to your needs. So how do you go about getting a good education? The first step is to figure out what type of education you need, and then research schools that offer the best fit for your needs. Once you find a school, get started on your application process and get ready to start learning. With a good education and some hard work, you can get rich in no time. 5. Become an Instagram influencer. If you are looking for a way to get rich, becoming an Instagram influencer may be the perfect option for you. With millions of followers, these social media stars are able to make a living by promoting products and services on their accounts. If you are interested in becoming an Instagram influencer, here are some tips to get you started. Find your niche. When it comes to Instagram, it's important to find a niche that you can specialize in, whether it's fashion, beauty, travel, or food. Finding a niche will help you stand out from the crowd and attract more followers. Create great content. In order to be successful as an Instagram influencer, you need to create great content that people will want to see. This means taking beautiful photos and writing interesting captions that capture your audience's attention. Use hashtags wisely. Hashtags are a great way to get your content seen by more people. Make sure to use them wisely and target hashtags that are relevant to your niche. Engage with your followers. One of the best ways to grow your following is by engaging with your followers. Reply to comments and ask questions. This will help keep people engaged. 6. Launch a paid newsletter or subscription. If you are looking for a way to get rich, launching a paid newsletter or subscription may be the perfect option for you. With millions of subscribers, these social media stars are able to make a living by promoting products and services on their accounts. If you are interested in launching a paid newsletter or subscription, here are some tips to get you started. Find your niche. When it comes to newsletters and subscriptions, it's important to find a niche that you can specialize in, whether it's fashion, beauty, travel, or food. Finding a niche will help you stand out from the crowd and attract more subscribers. Create great content. In order to be successful as an email marketer, you need to create great content that people will want to see. This means taking beautiful photos and writing interesting captions that capture your audience's attention. Use hashtags wisely. Hashtags are a great way to get your content seen by more people. Make sure to use them wisely and target hashtags that are relevant to your niche. Number 7. Do odd jobs through TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a website and app that connects people who need odd jobs done with people who are looking for extra work. This can be a great way to make some extra money, and there are a variety of jobs available, so you can find one that's perfect for you. To get started, create a profile on TaskRabbit and list your skills and experience. Once you are approved, you can start bidding on jobs that interest you. Be sure to read the job description carefully so you know what's expected of you. If you are selected for a job, be sure to complete it promptly and to the best of your ability. This will help ensure positive reviews and future work opportunities. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have helped get you thinking about ways to get rich in your 20s. If you are looking for more information or want help implementing any of these strategies, Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks again for watching.